Low burn in the past 7 days for Terra Classic LUNC. 934 million coins of Terra Classic have been destroyed in the past 7 days. As of last week, we recorded over 1.3 billion coins being destroyed, and now we are recording just 934 million. It's not close to 1 billion. I mean, this is almost 1 billion, but I still hope that we need to be recording over 3 billion in a single week. We need to be recording 5 billion burn in a 7 days period, and by the time we get to this level of burning at least 5 billion burns in 1 week, it means we will be destroying 20 billion coins. Of course, in 2 months we'll be hitting that 100 billion mark, and within the next few months LUNC should be celebrating 200 billion bonds from between now to the end of this year. But I still believe that it will take time because the amount of traders have really reduced, amount of trading volume have really went down. It has affected Terra Classic burning rate, since we'll be charging from buyers, from sellers, then it will be burned. So the more we the record high trading volume buying and selling, the more burning Terra Classic will record that period of time. So the low we record trading activities on Terra Classic coin, the low Terra Classic will definitely burn that period of time. So this is why we always wish to see high trading volume for Terra Classic LUNC. But for this week, at least 934 million coins have been destroyed, have been burned by Terra Classic coin. So before the end of this month, I believe we need to get to a point where we should be burning over 5 billion. We need to get to a point where we should be burning 10 billion. And it's not easy, but one day, just have it in mind. One day, Terra Classic is going to surprise us. Just the way it surprised us about 7 or 8 days ago, hitting over 2.6 trillion volume trade in just a single day. And we also almost $260 million being traded. I mean, I was surprised to see this, and I wish Terra Classic continue that trading volume. I was thinking by now the market cap should have hitting between 1.2 to 1.5 billion dollars market cap. Anyhow it is, let's hope for the best. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please come do your own research before taking any decisions.